Welcome to Boise West at Shelleys Plaza. These are not just 4 to 5 bedroom homes, they're practically 2 homes in one. These homes have fully equipped basement ADUs, perfect for multi-generational family living, extra potential income to help pay your mortgage, with 3 homes currently available, all priced under $705K. This charming community offers the perfect balance of suburban tranquility and urban convenience. You're just minutes from downtown Boise, dining, shopping, and entertainment, yet surrounded by beautiful landscape trees, friendly neighbors, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. Outdoor lovers will appreciate the nearby parks, hiking trails, and scenic Boise River, perfect for biking, walking, or simply soaking up nature. Now let's talk homes. These offer 3 homes in the subdivision, ranging from 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Priced, each home is thoughtfully designed for modern living and flexibility. The main residence features a spacious open-concept kitchen room with stunning fireplace, flowing seamlessly into a kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a generous wall pantry. The main living primary suite is accompanied by a shared bathroom, while upstairs you'll find additional bedrooms and a versatile loft area, perfect for a home office or playroom. And the feature that truly sets these homes apart, a fully equipped basement ADU, complete with its own bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and laundry. It's perfect for rental income, extended family, or a private guest suite. There's something nearly for every buyer looking for space, style, and income potential. But the best way to experience these homes is by in person. So if you are looking to set up a tour, I would love to help. Feel free to comment below, or you can reach out to me directly and we will schedule something. Talk to you soon.